Hi there, Dori Sukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, and I have a special guest with me today, my right-hand woman, Tara. She's always there for me, and she always tells me where to go.
That's true.
And what to do all the time. So yes, I'm dressed in a graduation gown. I'm wearing all of Charlie's ribbons that he accomplished so much during his years. And of course, we have the cap. And I'm so proud of Charlie, and I'm so proud of all the other graduating class of 2019 for all their accomplishments. I can't believe that my son Charlie's graduating from college this month. I am just so excited. I can remember just yesterday when he graduated from high school, right? It's just all of a sudden. So he's been in Australia for the last year, and he's graduating this month. He's coming back home, and I'm super excited to have him back.
Yes, we're excited to have him come to the office as well.
I know. We're going to try to get him busy this summer and doing some stuff for us. So you've got that going on in June, so many graduations. It's definitely beach time. You get to go to the beach. Make sure you wear your hat so you don't get sunscreen, you don't get sunburn. I'm always yelling at Tara because she goes boating every single weekend.
I do.
And she's always sitting in the sun fishing, and she comes back to the office usually with some sun. So she's going to be wearing this hat from now on.
Perfect.
And then of course it's Father's Day. You know, I miss my daddy. I miss my daddy a lot, but I wanted to wish everybody a happy Father's Day and hope that that day will be a great day for them. Don't just get him a stupid tie.
Right?
Go beyond that. Do something very special for him. So besides all these activities that are going on, we have a great issue of InSPAration Moments planned for everybody. And we have a very busy month actually with a lot of things that are going to be going on. So why don't you tell everybody where we're going to be and what's happening this month, Tara?
I think it's more like where you're going to be this month, Dori.
And you.
And me. So we're going to be sending you to the premiere show in Orlando on the 1st and 2nd. It's going to be an amazing show. You'll be speaking there as well. You have 4 different classes, so it'll be a really great opportunity for people to get to listen to you.
I will be busy. So that's the 1st and the 2nd?
1st and the 2nd, yes. And then you're going to be following that with Empire. You're going to be going to New York City and speaking on the 3rd. So have you all over the place. And then this month we're also doing New York City for Empire, LA, and we're getting to go to Chicago.
Nice.
So we have an amazing Recipes for Success coming up on the 5th. It's becoming a superstar team, and that will be really great for you and your team to join. And then you're going to be doing a webinar on June 17th at 2 p.m. and it's effective team building.
Yes.
So you definitely don't want to miss that webinar.
Yeah, so we've been doing a lot of, it's going to be part of the Bright Idea actually. We've been revamping all of our material, and the effective team building is the only one that I have not redone, so I'm actually going to redo it this month.
That'll be exciting.
So super excited about that, so make sure you join us. So I'll tell you a little bit more about that a little bit later. So make sure you check out the calendar. Go to InSPArationManagement.com. Check out all the great activities and strategic planning and business tools and events that we have going on so you can keep improving your business. So stay tuned for the featured article. It's going to be all about myth and reality of how to open up a medical spa. So we're so excited you're with us. So stay tuned for the next segment. See you soon.